Guys, showing this Poetic Guardian case designed for OnePlus Nord N30 5G. This is multi-grade crop tested with a full body hybrid shockproof bumper cover with built-in screen protector. So let's just unbox. So you can see the first one is without the screen protector. So it have a choice that you can use it with the screen protector or without the screen protector. This is a clear back from and that is nice that you can show you like the color and the design of your phone. So let me just take this out, take all these protective coverings and stuff. So this is a clear screen protector and you can choose between the screen protector or without the screen protector. So you can see its fittings is really well, and then from the back it just comes up. Just take out this protective covering, and from the side so you can see all the brightness and things are really nice. The screen protector clarity is very good, and this is a nice protective one. All the buttons and everything are working fine. There is no issue or obstruction with the case, and all this ports, charging ports and everything is covered with this cover, so it's a dust proof. And then from the side also you can see like the feels really nice. So this one fits well for the Note N30, very protective one.